Bonjour, bonjour, Shopify world. My name is Andrew from ecomexperts.io. We have the green tie, so that means we're reviewing an app, and this app is a bundler. These are all the things that we will be reviewing in the video. There's also going to be timestamps down below if you just want to skip to a certain section. And let's just start straight up with the things I thought were most interesting about this app. So what does the bundler app do? Well, pretty simple. If you have a bunch of products on your store and you say, you know what, if you buy this one and this one together, that's considered a bundle, and I'll even give you a discount. So instead of $10 and $15, a total of $25, I'll make it a total of $22 because you're buying them in a bundle. It's a bundle. Interesting to note, the discounting works in two ways. You can say, okay, either buy these two products together and I'll give you a 15% discount on the product right here, or you can just say, hey, this is a bundle, I'll give you a fixed $5 off on that bundle. That's kind of up to you. Any potential savings your customers are making can be shown with a little pop-up, which I thought was interesting. And then another cool thing for our physical store owners, it actually integrates with your POS system. So if you have a physical store, you can offer the same bundle in person to your customers if someone still has in-person visitors with COVID. This video isn't gonna age well. Another feature Bundles offers you is the mix and match option. So you can tell your customers, okay, here are 10 products, choose 4 out of them to make your bundle and get your discount. That was cool. And then the latest features they have added is called Bundle Funnels, which basically you create a funnel on how you want people to spend money on your website. And then let's say someone adds 2 products to their cart. Well, Bundle's gonna figure that out and is gonna be like, oh, wait. If you have those 2 products in your cart, maybe add these 2 and then you have a bundle and you can save some money. Overall, a pretty cool feature I wasn't expecting. So yeah, that's what Bundle does, or at least that's what stood out to me. Okay, so you can install Bundle by simply going to your Shopify store, you go to the app section and you search for Bundle and then you install it. So once you've installed it, you will end up on this dashboard here, which frankly looks pretty good. Once that is done, actually let me show you how to create our first bundle. So let's do that. You click on this button here and a new pop-up appears. And then from here, you can choose 2 options, the classic and the mix and match bundle. You might want to check out the pricing section in the video for the mixing and matching because it's a different price. For now, we will go with the classic option. So now we are again on the bundle creation tab. And as you can see, every field comes with an explanation, which is quite nice. Okay, let's fill this in quickly. A bundle allows you to add priority to your bundles, similar as we saw on One-Click Upsell by Zipify. If you're like, hold on, Andrew, One-Click Upsell by Zipify? Yeah, you definitely want to check out that app review. It's linked in the description below. It's worth it. This means the bundle with the most products should have the highest priority. In case a product variant is present in 2 different bundles, the bundle with the highest priority, or lowest number in other words, will be shown and applied. In the discount section right here, you can set the discount percentage, but also you can include free shipping. All right, not so fast on the free shipping though. It's a really interesting tool, but in order for you to make the most money out of it, check out this strategy video where we explain when it's time to offer free shipping and when it's not time to offer free shipping. It's gonna make you money. 12 minutes, it's gonna make you more money. Okay, let's give our customers 10% off if they buy a bundle. In this way, if they decide to decline the offer, we can hook them with free shipping and bigger discounts with retargeting or in an email. And that's basically what I explained in the other video. But again, look in the other video. Go check out the strategy. Anyway, we picked our products and we set our conditions so we can save our work. By default, bundle widget will be placed on the product page, but in case you have coding knowledge, you can place the script in other pages or, send us a message. Our bundle is successfully created and now we should check how it looks. We are on our product page and the page is loading slower than expected. So we'll talk about that in the speed section, but here's the widget. All right, back to the app. The widget looks really good with our theme, but if you don't like how it looks, you can customize it. Let's go to the app dashboard, and I guess the customization options are in general right here. And yep, in this window, you can change the colors of your text, buttons, price, etc. But you can also change the number of bundles shown on the product page, animate add to cart buttons, choose if you want to show savings, choose whether you want to send your customers when they add the bundle to the cart, add Facebook pixel idea, and a lot more things. So in case you decide this app is right for you, definitely play with the settings in this tab. All right, guys, it's super important that we check how these things look on mobile. Don't forget, most of your clients see your website at least for the first time on mobile. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go in our demo shop and I'll overlay it. You know, here's the widget. It's working. It's working as intended. All right. The next thing we need to cover is speed. For that, we're going to go to testmystorespeed.com right here, and we're going to go to the history sections to compare both items. While I'm doing that, this is a free tool. You can check out, you know, which apps are on a Shopify store, which teams are on a Shopify store. You can check out a whole bunch of things with it. 100% free. We don't ask anything for it. We build it because speed is important. Anyway, as you can see, it does affect the speed a little bit, a lot. So if you just use it for this app, that's fine. But remember that if you have 10, 15 apps like that, it slows down your store, and a slower store means slower conversion, especially in areas where the internet is not that good or on mobile, for example. All right, Andrew, who are the competitors? And for that, I'm going to pull out my cheat sheets. As we can see, first is Vitals, which we have reviewed, and you should really check it out because it has 40 apps in one. That could be interesting. Check out the video. After that, there is UFE cross-sell and upsell funnel that kind of looks like this. We have Sales Rocket that could be considered an alternative as well. Bundle products, white bundle, and then of course, bold bundles. It's super important that your app talks with the other apps in the ecosystem. That's why we're looking at integrations. And here it integrates with the add to cart button, the POS, which is really, really useful. Really, more apps should do an effort to integrate with the POS. Like seriously, app developers, POS. Oh, and quick FYI for the non-technical person, POS stands for point of sales, and it's the Shopify system you use in your brick and mortar store, so in your physical store. And it also finally includes currency converters. So it only talks to 3 apps. All right, more integrations could probably be useful, like with email marketing and stuff. I could see that being very useful. All right, now let's talk about pricing. There are these 2 pricing points, basically free and $6 a month, which I was surprised. It's pretty affordable. Now, it's not 100%, like you will probably end up using the $6 a month one, just because the mix and match that we said before is in the $6 a month one. There's a whole bunch of other little things here, discounts in cart, you know, the free shipping thing, funnels, all of these things are only available in the $6 a month. But again, $6 a month is pretty damn reasonable. Now let's look at the ratings. It has a 4.8 out of 5 stars from something like 207 reviews. So that's not a whole lot, but well, here's the breakdown. And then I'll also overlay some of the reviews I thought were interesting. So you might want to pause and check that one out. Maybe it applies to your niche. So yeah, cool. Okay, so as always, there's the question, hey Andrew, should I use this app? Would you recommend it? Well, I want to note a couple of things is that first, the buy one and get one free option was not available with this app, which, okay, but still important to note in my opinion. And then I also saw some people complaining with Amazon, the fact that, you know, Amazon always looks for the lowest prices and they don't really care that your product is in a bundle. If it's lower, will put it lower as well. It's kind of complex. If you want more info about it, just comment down below. But if you're not planning to give one free and if you don't really care what Amazon does, then I definitely think this app is very interesting. The price point is really good. It's easy to use. I'm also going to spare with you the entire strategy of why you need these type of apps. Bundles, cross-sell, upsell are vital. Again, I talked about that in this video right here that I already referred to before. They're really important to use. Now, would I use Bundler? Well, it really depends on the industry and the niche I'm in. I think it's a very well-developed app. It looks very user-friendly, and I would consider checking out the other competitors, but it might very well be that Bundler has the exact options I'm looking for. And if they do, then yeah, it's a great app. I would, yeah, try it out. Anyway, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Don't forget there's tons of other videos where we talk about development, how to do some like changes in your store. We give you all of the solutions, how we do app reviews, and how we talk about strategy and how your store can make more money. If it's Shopify related, this is the channel for you. And if you could do me a tiny bit of favor and, you know, share one of our videos with one of your friends, it would mean the world to us because we work really hard on these videos and hopefully you get some value out of it. it. If you have any questions, there is a comment section down below. I respond to each and every comment. So there you go. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you in another video. Adios!